Hey guys, welcome to another video where I bring you yet another exciting airdrop opportunity. Today I'm talking about Mira airdrop. So what is Klok AI and Mira? Basically Klok AI is an app like ChatGPT. With this app, now you can interact with AI and earn 100 points every day, and that is for the airdrop. As you can see, they have secured around 9 million in funding and it's marked as a potential airdrop. And you will see there's lots of top tier investors have put their money into this project, which is great sign. If you visit Mira's official X handle, they share tons of update about the Klok AI. Also, if you check out Klok AI's official handle, you'll see they are super active in building a strong community. Another positive sign for this project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. We have also got a blog where we publish the latest news and updates about crypto. So all the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. Now let's move on how you can join their airdrop. It's actually really easy to get started. When you land on their page, I'll provide the joining link in the description. So be sure to check it out. And as you can see, you will see two options. Sign up using your email or you can use your wallet. Here I'm going to use my wallet to sign up. Just click on wallet. Then select MetaMask and hit connect. As you can see, my wallet is connected. Next, simply click sign in. It might take a moment. But there you go, I'm successfully logged in. Now once you are in, you will see some tasks like connecting your X account or joining their Discord. Let's click follow Klok on X. And as you can see, I have earned some points. Now let's follow their Discord. And then follow Mira. As you can see, I have earned 30 points by completing these tasks. Here is the most important part, how to get even more points. As you can see, you will see a AI chat option. It's kind of like ChatGPT. All you need to do is ask any questions and you will earn points for it. For example, let's ask a question. Look, it answers and I get 10 points. Now I will replay again. Bam, another 10 points. Ask 2 or 3 questions. And as you can see, I have hit 100 points just like that. That's it. If you want to rack up more points, you can share your referral link with your friends. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.